If you've ever wondered whether Notion Calendar or Google Calendar is the better choice, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the real differences between Notion Calendar and Google Calendar in a simple, practical way, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. And if you find this comparison helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Let's start with the big picture. Google Calendar is built first and foremost as a traditional calendar tool. It's designed to help you schedule meetings, create events, manage multiple calendars, share your availability, and keep your day organized. Notion Calendar, on the other hand, is built more like a productivity companion. It connects your calendar with your notes, projects, databases, and tasks inside Notion, which makes it especially useful if you already use Notion to manage your work. So if your main goal is simple calendar management, Google Calendar is usually the stronger choice. It gives you reliable event scheduling, reminders, recurring events, calendar sharing, and smooth integration with the Google ecosystem. For example, if you use Gmail, Google Meet, or Google Workspace, Google Calendar fits right in. You can create meetings, send invites, view availability, and even use appointment schedules so other people can book time with you through a booking page. That appointment scheduling feature is a big deal for creators, freelancers, coaches, consultants, and business owners. Instead of manually going back and forth to find a time, you can set up a booking page and let others choose an open slot. That makes Google Calendar extremely useful for everyday scheduling and professional time management. Now let's look at Notion Calendar. Notion Calendar is especially powerful when you want your calendar to do more than just show events. It lets you connect your schedule with your actual work. You can display Notion database items that have dates, attach Notion pages to meetings, and manage project deadlines directly alongside your calendar events. That means your tasks, notes, and meetings can all live in a more connected system. For example, if you're planning a content calendar, a launch, or a class project, Notion Calendar can help you see your deadlines and scheduled work in one place. You can bring project tasks into the calendar view, connect meeting notes to specific events, and keep related pages close to the appointment they belong to. That's why a lot of Notion users prefer it. It's not just about time, it's about context. Another important difference is calendar compatibility. Notion Calendar supports Google Calendar and iCloud calendars, so you can still bring in your existing schedule while using Notion for productivity. It also supports services like Google Meet and Zoom, which makes it easy to join meetings and organize calls without leaving your workflow. Google Calendar is better when you want a clean, dependable standalone calendar. It's ideal for recurring events, reminders, calendar sharing, work meetings, and everyday planning. If you're managing classes, appointments, family events, or a busy work schedule, Google Calendar gives you the tools you need without extra complexity. Notion Calendar is better when your calendar is part of a larger productivity system. If you already use Notion for notes, projects, databases, and task tracking, then Notion Calendar makes a lot of sense. It helps you connect the why behind your schedule, not just the when. That makes it especially useful for students, creators, and teams who want deadlines, notes, and meetings in one connected workspace. Here's a simple example. A college student might use Google Calendar to manage classes, exams, assignments, and study sessions. That works really well because it's straightforward and easy to maintain. But a Notion power user might want to bring project deadlines, task lists, and meeting notes into the calendar itself. In that case, Notion Calendar becomes more than a calendar. It becomes part of the planning system. So, which one should you choose? If you want the best standalone calendar, go with Google Calendar. If you want a productivity-focused calendar that connects deeply with Notion, go with Notion Calendar. And if you already live in Notion every day, Notion Calendar can be a huge upgrade to your workflow. The simplest way to think about it is this. Google Calendar is better for scheduling. Notion Calendar is better for organizing work around your schedule. If this comparison helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which calendar you use and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.